Clashes continue in Paris against COVID-19 health passes. For the 9th weekend in a row, demonstrators went to the streets of Paris on Saturday to express their dissatisfaction with the coronavirus health pass policy. The demonstration soon devolved into brawls with police officers. On Saturday, Paris was set to host 4 large-scale protests. Crowds marched through the streets of different sections of the city, encircled by police officers wearing riot gear in tight cordons. Protesters held banners that said, "Health is not a business," and waved French national flags. Flags of socialist and even royalist organizations were also seen among the throng. Major police forces have been stationed across Paris, most notably along the Champs-Élysées and Wagram Avenue in the city's northwest, where a large gathering has been announced. Although the overall number of protesters remained unknown, police said they anticipated about 30,000 to converge on the city's streets around noon. Tensions soon erupted during the protests, with a video posted to social media showing protesters repeatedly kicking and verbally abusing police personnel. Another video shows the mob hurling different items at the cops. The cops used tear gas and batons in response. Clashes occurred in particular near the Champs-Élysées, when police stopped participants in one of the protests from accessing the avenue, according to French media. Saturday was the 8th weekend in a row of demonstrations. Rallies started in mid-July, after President Emmanuel Macron's government's implementation of a system requiring individuals to show a vaccination certificate or a negative COVID-19 test before visiting a restaurant, theater, cinema, or shopping center, or when traveling on a long-distance train. Additionally, the government's efforts included mandatory immunization for medics, a move that was challenged by certain hospital staff members. The administration claims the restrictions are essential to promote vaccinations and prevent another lockdown. Earlier this year, French media claimed that at least 67% of the public backed the health pass. Nonetheless, opposition to the proposal remains strong. On Saturday, more than 200 anti-government protests were planned throughout France. The authorities anticipate 170,000 people to participate in similar rallies across the country. About 140,000 people participated in Saturday's protests.